Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that here scroll to the security section. Now just here you'll see the screen lock, not the screen lock, SIM card lock. Tap here, and now you can see that our device is locked with the SIM card. Just to unlock our device, so the SIM card, so you should click once here on the switcher, and after that just enter here the currently password. In our case that's from 1 to 4. Then just click to OK, and here we can see the message that the pin is disabled. And as can you see, that's really simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.